Hi guys and welcome back to our channel. My name is Aditi and today we're going to talk about how to make your home look expensive. There are plenty of ways to make your home look expensive without the high price tag. The secret on achieving an expensive look for your home isn't actually rooted in the amount you spend. In fact, when it comes to making your home look expensive, less is often more. Every interior design project should begin with a declutter. Decluttering your home will ensure that you're starting with a clean slate. After all, clutter does not speak expensive. It is also important to avoid anything that makes your home look cheap. Also, it primarily comes down to the materials that you use and how you dress your space. Now, without wasting any more time, let's get started. Picking furniture with character is important to make your space look expensive. Gone are the days of a matching suite of furniture being the marker of great interior design. Today, it's all about texture, interest, and character. Decorating with antiques, especially wooden pieces, is a great way to make a house look expensive. You can mix antique and newer finds to curate a space that is truly unique to you. When decorating with wood, resist the urge to pick furniture in the same species or tone, as this can sometimes make a room feel flat. Instead, opt for pieces with slight color variation for a more sophisticated and polished look. Nothing screams money more than added character and texture with paneling. Originally used in period homes as a method of insulation, today wall paneling ideas are loved for the way they elevate a room, giving the scheme a sense of gravitas that instantly seems expensive. There are ideas available for paneling any room of your home, from living room paneling to bathroom paneling. Plus, it's a surprisingly cost-effective way to decorate, often more affordable than wallpaper. While wall paneling is by far the more traditional option, why not consider ceiling paneling? It adds architectural interest to what can be an overlooked part of your interior design and will also emphasize the height of the space. Another technique to make your home look expensive. Giving your staircase an update is another way to make your home look expensive. It might seem like an unusual way to make a house look expensive, whether a new or refurbished banister or balustrade or smartly painted risers can transform the way in which people perceive your home. A staircase is an integral part to the structure of any home and is the first thing that yourself and guests see when walking inside. So guaranteeing your entryway is impactful is key. A bespoke staircase is the perfect way to transform the space which was once tired into something that is stylish and welcoming. Putting cut flowers on display will elevate your space and make it look more expensive. It seems obvious, but having fresh flowers on the counter is an instant color burst, adding endless decorative value. Decorating with flowers is a quick and effective way to make a house look expensive. Not only do fresh flowers bring color and texture to a room, but they also bring a sense of life, and some even imbue the room with their beautiful fragrance. Eucalyptus is a favorite among florists for creating fragrant and luxury displays perfect for high-end interiors. Invest in art that you love. Bare walls will make a space feel empty and lacking, but enormous prints of a cityscape are certainly not the way to go. Taking time to invest in pieces you genuinely like that also fit your space will make a huge difference to the overall look and feel of any room and help to craft something that feels authentic and meaningful. Don't rush this process or put pressure on yourself to have your art within 6 months. Building your collection is all part of the fun. Nothing saves money like wood flooring. Timelessly beautiful wooden flooring is a highly desirable feature. Loved for its authentic natural appearance, durability, and warmth underfoot, it will add an expensive look to any room in which it is installed. Flooring is the key element when it comes to setting the tone of any interior. Get this right, and all the other details will fall into place. Lighter boards create an element of freshness all year round, and while they may not offer the same drama as their darker counterparts, they still add a wonderful character to the space. You don't have to go all out when adding luxury materials to your space. Yes, a marble bathroom will look stunning and definitely give off expensive vibes. However, it is not the only way. First, consider saving in certain areas that don't matter as much to you. Perhaps you go for an engineered wood flooring over real wood, or opt for a more affordable paint brand so that you have a budget to invest in the items that really matter to you. Maybe a marble sink for your kitchen. You can also accessorize with pieces pieces made from luxury materials, such as a marble tray on a coffee table or a gold candle snuffer. This will help your house look more expensive without breaking the bank. If you want your house to look expensive, then keep all the wires out of sight. We live in a technological world, and it is likely that there will be wires in every room of your home, from the TV in the living room, appliances in the kitchen, to chargers in the bedroom. However, even the most elegant room will be brought down by a tangle of stray cables. In order to achieve an expensive looking home, it is essential that this source of visual clutter is reduced as much as possible. If you have a wall-mounted television or are thinking about TV wall ideas, consider running the cables through the wall to achieve a seamless look. Then hide peripheral devices on sideboards or adjoining cabinetry to continue a wire-free aesthetic. Don't overlook the details no matter what. Finishing touches are a great way to make your home look expensive. Think door handles, drawer pulls, light switches, and sockets. These elements are often overlooked, but the right design can pull an entire scheme together. Light switches are the most interactive part of your interior and should be an integral part of the design. Anything handled so frequently must reflect quality, not only in its look but also in its touch. This is it for this video. If you liked our video, then don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.